Good evening, students. Today we will discuss about periodic table. The periodic table, which was first discovered or invented by the scientist. Any one of you? Any one of you know that? Who is that scientist? Scientist is Mendeleev in the year 1869. Last year only we celebrated 150th year of the periodic table of elements. So in the periodic table there are 4 types of elements are present: S block elements, P block elements, D block elements and A block elements. The elements which are present on the left side are termed as S block elements. In these S block elements, first group elements and second group elements. First group elements are known as alkali metals, whereas second group elements are known as alkaline earth metals. And the right side elements which are present from boron to helium family, these are all termed as P block elements, because in these elements the valence electron enters into P block. So here the boron is P1, in the valence electron is P1, whereas in case of here P2, P3, P4, P5 and P6. These zero black elements are inert gas elements, are completely filled elements. So these atoms are most stable than all other, because they are they contain octet configuration. There no need to react to, because they are already stable. The elements which are present in between the S block and P block are termed as transition elements, are also known as D block elements. So in this D block element there are 4 series of elements are present: 3D series, 4D series, 5D series and 6D series. In 3D series, the valence electron enters into 3D orbital. It starts from scandium and ends with zinc. Whereas 4D element starts from yttrium, ends at cadmium. So here it starts with yttrium and ends with cadmium. Whereas in 5D and 6D starts with lanthanum and actinium. So whereas in this lanthanum there are 14 elements which are not easy to insert in such a small box, so they are written in the bottom of the periodic table. So these A block elements are total 14 elements. These elements are also known as lanthanides, because they come from after lanthanum. That's why these are known as lanthanides. Whereas here after actinium also there are 14 elements are present, which are 5 A block elements. In this the valence electron enters into 5th A block group. That's why these are known as 5A elements, are also known as actinides, because these are coming from after the actinium. That's why these are known as actinides. So in this way, total periodic table is divided into 4 groups: S block elements, P block elements, D block elements and A block elements. Not only that, these are in these also some of the elements are metal, some are non-metal, some of the elements are metalloids. Metalloids means these are combination of both metallic character as well as non-metallic character. So here some of the elements exhibit as radioactive property also. Up to now, total number of elements in the periodic table is 118 elements. The last element is oganesson. It is indicated by the symbol Og. It is also belongs to family that is inert gases. That is nothing but it is zero group elements. So with this, I conclude that periodic table is very useful in competitive exams. So all of you read and write notes well. Thank you.